Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Peter Robin here is highlighting some bulbs for planting for summer, some unusual ones. These are Tigridia, commonly called tiger flower. Some of course crocosmia, very easy to grow. You can plant these now if you want. Pointed end up, root end down with all of these bulbs, but it's going to be a bit warmer before you plant Tigridia. Freesias you can force indoors in pots now or plant them outside from March onwards. Anemones like Mr. Fokker and Mount Everest can be planted from now in pots and containers for planting out later in the garden. Freesias, again, beautiful orange. Ixia, a kaleidoscope of colour for summer. As things warm up, you can plant freesias. Lilies, start them in pots very soon now if you like for planting out later in the garden. And Zephyrantes, unusual, gorgeous pink. Alliums, dwarf alliums can be planted now. Ranunculus, gorgeous buttercups. Be a bit warmer before you start these in pots, maybe around early March. Dutch iris, great for cut flowers. So summer flowering bulbs, corms and tubers, all available now in Pergola Nurseries. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden. Say goodbye to everybody.